Getting started with the Baby Doge AI image generator is easy. The first step is to connect the wallet. Click the Wallet Connect button, and there are plenty of popular options to choose from. I have a MetaMask extension included in my browser, so we're going to try that. I input my password, and we are connected. Now let's move on to the next step, signing in. Now that our wallet is connected, we can tell by the wallet address in the top right bar. Click the Sign In button, and it will bring up a prompt. This is to sign a gasless transaction. Don't worry, this is free. It doesn't cost anything. It's just the blockchain validating your login credentials. Click Sign In button. We're successfully signed in, and then we're taken to the Buy Credits page. Great news! If you're a Baby Doge token holder, you can claim up to 50 free credits. 10 free credits per 10 billion Baby Doge. I have 22 billion Baby Doge, so I can claim these credits. Click on the Claim button to claim your free credits. We have now claimed them. You'll see your purchase history now. We've claimed our free credits and our credit balance, and our free credits are claimed. If you would like your own free credits, go over to the swap page and swap some of your other tokens for Baby Doge. Remember, you get 10 free credits for every 10 billion in Baby Doge that you have. To generate more images, we can head to the Buy Credits page. Choose your amount of credits and choose from one of the payment currencies. The currency is listed on the left and the price in each currency is listed on the right. We're going to buy 100 credits with Baby Doge. First, we enable Baby Doge for spending. Then we can buy the credits. Each credit counts for one image generated. And we can see the credits have been added to our account. Now let's generate some images. We can either click on the Generate button up here, or we can click on a specific model. I'm going to generate using Baby Doge AI. We have pre-populated the number of images, steps, prompt strength, and model strength for you. These are pretty good defaults. I will explain them briefly. This is where you place the prompt. We can have 1,500 characters max. Here's where we replace the native prompt. Things we don't want to show up in the prompts. If you are looking for inspiration, click the Surprise Me button to bring up random prompts that we have pre-populated for you. And we have made auto-suggestions for you on what you don't want to see, and then you hit the Generate button. The first step in generating an image is to choose a model. We've included 4 models for you to use: Baby Doge, Meme, Meme 3D, and Playground AI. Let's see the differences in each one of those. These are generated from Baby Doge AI. It is the default generation, and you can generate Baby Doge in whatever setting or style that you like. This is Baby Doge Meme. It's a 2D style like the memes that you see posted online. The 3D style is a little more intricate, and it's a little bit more artistic flair. And finally, we've included Playground AI, which is not Baby Doge related at all. You can generate anything you like. The next step is to choose the number of images that we want to generate. I've selected 4. We have tooltips with each one of these to remind you what they are. The number of steps is how detailed we want the picture to be. The more steps, the more details. 20 is a good starting number. Then we have prompt strength. Prompt strength is how much freedom you give the AI. The higher of the prompt strength, the more closely it will adhere to the prompt. If you want the AI to have a little more freedom, you'll lower the prompt strength. 4 is a good starting number. And then we have the model strength. The model strength is how closely the Baby Doge character is adhered to in the model. Now we're going to generate some images. This is the prompt box, where you can enter up to 1,500 characters. Be as descriptive and as imaginative as possible. If you need some inspiration, over here is the Surprise Me button. This will generate random prompts for you to make images with. We're going to generate a random prompt. Down here is the negative prompt. This is where you tell the AI what you don't want. In the image, we have an auto-suggest feature that also gives you a pretty good starting point. Feel free to add your own. And we press the Generate button. And our images are in progress. Image generation takes anywhere from between a few seconds to a few minutes. And our images are ready, and they look great. We can click on any one of them, and we're brought to the History page. This is where we can see all of the information that went into generating the images, And we can choose to select all of the images, or one or none of the images to mint as NFTs. These two are my favorite. I can scroll between them. Yes, I want to mint these as NFTs. Other features of the history page. We can have share links so you can share them on your favorite socials. Copy a link to share it with others. We have a download button to download the image as well. Scrolling down, we have information about all of the other image generations that you've done. You may also click on these to go to those image pages as well. We can mint our favorite image generations as NFTs. I've picked two that I really like, and we're going to mint them. We provided several options for you to pay for your NFT minting. Baby Doge, BNB, and several stablecoin options. The prices per NFT minted are listed to the right. We're going to approve the Baby Doge for the transaction, so we have the total given in the bottom below. We can copy that amount to approve. You can do max approval, like the wallets suggest, or we can use this. Either one is good. And then we wait for the approval transaction to go through after we approve the transaction. We now have the prompt. Mint to NFTs using Baby Doge. Perfect. So we press the mint and we wait for the transaction to show up. Everything looks good. Confirm and we wait for the transaction to mint. The NFTs have minted and the program will update shortly. And there will be a little checkbox with all of your NFTs that have minted. So now we can go, and we can either view the mint on OpenSea, or we can view them in the NFT gallery. The My Creations page is where you can see a collection of all of the different images that you've generated. These are from Baby Doge AI collection. These are from the Playground AI, Baby Doge meme, 3D Baby Doge meme, Baby Doge AI. You can click on each one of the generations so you can see the prompts used to generate it, the negative prompt, and the settings used. You can also press Generate using these prompts will be taken back to the Generate page if you find you want to try again with the collection, maybe with a different prompt strength or a different model strength this time. Need some inspiration? The Gallery page is where we can see images that other people have created. Here are the images that we have created and that we've seen. But as we scroll down, these are images that other people have created with their prompts. If we click on an image, we can see the prompt that they used to generate it, the negative prompt, and the different settings that they used. Just like the My Creations page, we can generate using these prompts. If you want to say, "Ooh, I like this one," let's go generate an image like that. It will pre-populate it for you. The Your Minted NFT page is a collection of all of the images that you minted. You may click on any one of the images, and you'll be taken to the history screen where you can see the details that were used to mint this image. You also can look at the histories on BSC Scan or view the image on OpenSea.